welcome back to our channel. I just won Tweety in the arcade at the claw machine. And I'm about to get my pancakes. Let's go!
Point it all out then, Lou.
Also, there's shops around there. That's where our hotel is.
Skyline. We're on the balcony.
Yeah, we are. There's a diner, Papa John's, my pizza, fish and chips.
Yum.
It's going to be yummy pancake. I'm so excited. We're about to go up the tent, which I'll show you on the balcony video.
Right.
A massive tent.
Let's pause it here and then.
Let's pause it. Alright, now we're at Reds. Check out the Reds. And we bought some toys
From Toy Box, yeah. Bought some toys from Toy Box.
Yeah. I got probably a tractor or something with a turtle in it.
You got a car with a turtle on it, wasn't it?
Yeah. And this is centre stage.
This is centre stage, yeah. You've been smashing the parties in there, innit, though?
I'll show you the rest. I'll see some.
We're going in for the tent now.
There the reindeers and Santa was there probably a couple hours ago, I think. And there we go. There's Santa's sleigh, guys. Check it out. Then that's where the entrance of the centre stage.
Centre stage, that's right.
And that says Little Mermaid. The arcade today. And the pancakes were coming up. Bar Rosso.
Take a quick little video
There's the soft play.
at the top of the tent. You ready? I'm going to pause it.
Now I've got the holes, guys. We need the pancakes.
Let's go get them pancakes.
Yeah! Now we're about to eat pancakes. Look at this. Recipe.
The pancakes are being done.
There's...
These are somebody else's pancakes.
Oh, yeah.
Grace the girl getting a pancake.
Can you see, guys, it's Nutella.
Nutella, you're getting Nutella. Just Nutella?
Nutella on the pancakes. Yeah.
What about you, Grace? Just Nutella for both of you. Right, guys, we're going to pause it and then I'm going to start videoing it again.
And there's also a hot dog stand as well next door.
Oh, that's correct. Apparently the hot dogs are banging.
Yeah.
So we're going to pause it. Going to start videoing it again when you're eating it, yeah?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. See you in a second.
I'm just having Nutella as well.
Nutella pancakes coming in.
Yeah. The video.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah. Oh, see you when we're eating it. Really eating it now. See you later.
We'll go sit down.
Yeah, I'll go have a nap.
Yum.
Look at the pancakes, of course. Nice. Whoa. Nutella's coming on. There we go. Look at it cooking, guys. Whoa. And the other one cooking. Here we go, the best part. Nutella. Comment down below if you like chocolate. So you comment down below.
Comment down below if you like chocolate.
Yeah.
Comment down below.
Yeah, because I do.
Butlins 2021.
See you in a minute.
Loving it.
Hi guys.
Got his pancake.
And
Now we're going to carry on.
Sit down.
Let's go.
Let's go guys.
Taste test.
Look at my pancake. Looks yummy.
Smell-o-vision.
I'm just going to take my glass off as well. So I can't eat them that way.
There we
Let's
go.
see if we
Look,
can
there's
find
Grandad over there on the right.
Yeah, right hand side.
Let's do this.
Let's do it. Eat the pancakes. I'll see them. Boys, yummy.
Smash these pancakes.
And also my Fanta. I've got Fanta as well.
You got a Fanta.
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy. Right. 3, 2, 1. See you in a second.
See you in a second. Yeah, I'm eating my pancake. Oh, that is a yummy Butlins pancake. Okay, and over now, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell next to it. Give me a big thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye.